Hello, this is a demonstration of a prototype I wanted to try for a long time, and the goal was to integrate Visual Studio Code with a Delphi form designer. So, as I have said, this is just a prototype to prove that it's possible. So let's begin. Here's a Visual Studio Code for Delphi, which is a Delphi application. And what you will notice is that Visual Studio Code is embedded in this application. And here, for example, you have the tool palette. There are no icons. This is just a quick prototype. And if you notice at the bottom, there is a tab set here with a code tab. And now what I'm going to do is to open a folder that contains a Delphi project. Okay, this is here in test. Okay, so once you open it, okay, this is the usual stuff. Okay, Pascal code, and if you pay attention, for example, at the bottom there are units with forms and units without forms. Once you switch to a unit that doesn't have any form, the design tab is hidden. But if you switch back to a unit with form, there is a design option here. So what you can do? Well, actually this is Visual Studio Code with the excellent OmniPascal extension installed. So you can select the project you want to work on, and what we are going to do is simply to edit the design. This is what I was doing on my test. Okay, you have the object inspector and so on. This is traditional stuff. You can place here a button, okay, and then you can click here on events, double click, and then an event handler is generated at the bottom. Still is not focused and things like that, but as you see is added the field and the handler declaration, and that's it. So you can just do this and sorry, this is another test. Okay. Oh, sorry, the keyboard has been changed to English. Okay. Okay. So now what you can do is issue the task from OmniPascal to compile and run this project. Here it is. And that's it. You have your button and you click and you get what is expected. So I hope you like it. Thank you.